Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jain salsa at home. This unique recipe excludes root vegetables like onions and garlic, focusing instead on fresh, vibrant ingredients. We'll cover everything from selecting the best tomatoes to the final seasoning, ensuring a flavorful and authentic experience. Get ready to create a delightful condiment perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need ripe, firm tomatoes, a few green chilies for heat, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For the distinct Jain flavor, we'll incorporate finely grated ginger, a dash of cumin powder, and a small pinch of asafoetida. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors beautifully. First, finely chop your tomatoes, green chilies, and cilantro. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine all your chopped vegetables with the grated ginger, cumin powder, asafoetida, and lemon juice. Stir everything together thoroughly until well combined. Finally, taste and adjust the salt and any other seasonings to achieve your perfect flavor balance. Your homemade Jain salsa is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with corn chips, dosas, or as a fresh side with any meal. For best results, serve it chilled. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 2 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.